it called? What do I have?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay. Okay, so this is Paul Joey, named after Paul Gray and Joey Jorgensen from the band Slipknot, of course. And I decided to record this because we're digging up a burial for him. Toilet paper. Poor little thing. I don't know how to die, but sad. There's some, I don't know. I'm not a good expert. Hold on, Aspen. Stay still. There's a fly on you. Okay, but any animal professionalists or who are out there, right here, there's a little bit of blood on its beak. I'm pretty sure. A little bit of red in its mouth. Found an ant.
Down my shoes.
You're okay. I found an ant on it earlier. It's just like that.
You mean with the
Poor little thing.
sister found that?
What? I don't know why I did that.
Did what? Oh.
My gosh, the cameraman talked. Okay.
What?
Are you showing my face?
Oh, it got your face a little.
Brother.
Sorry. You want me to restart?
No. I just blew it out in CapCut.
At least I got the bottom mod for you.
Okay. But still, don't show my face.
I'll dry my vest.
This burial sucks. I don't even know how to wrap a bird.
You want me to try?
Nope.
Okay. But you did that 12 swans.
You realize people are going to be here for the Labor Day thing, right?
Yeah. Why?
I swear to God, if they question about it, I'm going to be so mad. Because, like, bro, it's a...
What are you?
Yummy cicadas.
Well, that was my butter from another mother.
Poor little thing. Okay. Where are the seeds? Bro, I need seeds.
I'm going to give her a little pellet.
I need more.
I'll
go get them.
I'll get them. Back.
I don't know if I showed you, but this is how much pellets he had gotten. Now, Harbar is digging them. Is just getting the mud back. Dig it back up.
I'm going to get some mud to help us. I mean, dirt, whatever. It's fine. I can make it again. And that's wet.
No, just to make sure he's extra safe, we're gonna top wet mud on top.
Yep, and
Well, he's probably not safe since he's literally on the ground with all the other animals that would eat him, but okay.
Maybe a mole. Lot, whatever.
Don't think mole rats in Ohio.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Maybe.
Hopefully he's just like actually dead and not hibernating or something, or
Dude, what's happening?
I don't know. Probably.
Because you already built him
Hamsters do. Okay, that's good. We just need to smooth it out.
My knee isn't.
Okay, we're good. No, don't. That's hold up.
And that was upside down.
Okay.
Why you pour water? What did that do to you? some more
Okay,
water?
now time for the front side. So
Here.
hopefully it's probably not going to hold, but hopefully it can hold a little bit at least.
Here, sis, I got some more water.
Okay, thank you.
You take all the water.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, you want me to stop the video?
Yep. Okay, bye-bye, y'all.